Hey friends, if you wish to restrict editing in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. So I created this as a test document and we can work on this. Here's what we have to do. Click on File and then you can select this option here under Info. Now click on Protect Document and now you can click on Restrict Editing. And there are options through which you can restrict editing here, like limit formatting of a certain style. For this you'll have to click on settings and then you will have to check the exact style. Okay, first of all you'll have to check this box and then you'll have to check the styles which you wish to limit and the ones which you don't want to limit, like I don't want to limit these ones. So click on OK and then click on yes. And then these are the formatting restrictions. As for editing restrictions, click on this one. Only allow this type of editing in the document. Check this and now you can check the kind of editing which you wish to change. For example, track changes or comments, like here's what happens, what a lot of editors do. They will keep on adding comments and they don't want anyone else to change the comments. Okay. And then filling in forms and what do we say, no changes at all. No changes at all means no changes, and other than that you can do changes to comments only, track changes or filling in forms. Okay, and then you can obviously keep on exceptions. So the exceptions, if you check this box, the exceptions will be enabled, but you can choose whether you need to make everyone into that exception, or the next region this user can edit, show all regions, or remove all editing permissions. But it's as for the user, this one is for everyone, but you can also add specific users here by entering their names or email IDs. Okay, and then you can click on this one to start enforcing the protection. When you click on this one, you will have to create a password. Okay, this is how you will be able to restrict the editing with the password. Now if anyone wishes to edit that, like, yes, a person can edit comments, the editor can edit comments, but for that the editor needs the password. The password is the guarantee that the person is the editor or authorized for the same. And to stop this protection, you can simply click on stop protection. It will ask for your password again, enter it and hit enter, and for the time being the restrictions will be removed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.